Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So today I wanted to have a look at the double bar variety that occurs on the 1979 and 1980 50-cent coins. Now I also do have a 66 50-cent coin here, which is the 80% silver and the round one that I'll show you later on. There is some resemblance of a double bar on it, yeah, I just wanted to show you a double bar on a 1979 to start off with, just so that we can so that we know exactly what we're looking at and where we're looking, and then I'll show you on an example that doesn't have the double bars. So the double bars are right behind the emu's head. So just there you can see two lines right behind the head there. So I'll move it around a bit, you might be able to, yeah, you can make it out. They're fairly strong lines, these ones, on this particular coin. So that's the 1979. Now if I grab the 1979 without it and we look in the same spot, it's not the clearest coin, but you can see there behind the emu's head that there are no lines. So I'm moving it around a little bit just to sort of show the difference in the light there, that there is no bars there. So yep, no, there's definitely no bars there. And so that's the 1979, that particular one. And this one here, it also happens on the 1980. So this is a little bit better condition, this coin. We'll try and bring it up close. There we go. There again, once again, behind the emu's head there, two fine lines. So that's called double bars. So if I flip that over, you can see that this one is the 1980. Alright, I'll just zoom out a bit. Now I'll just show you the other 1980, which is this one here. Going a bit closer, and you can see quite easily there that there are no double bars behind the emu's head. So the double bars are the ones that are harder to find, and you more commonly come across the 1980 double bar far more than the 79. So these are, as you can see right there, just over the same sort of period of time. That's how many of the 1980s I've found compared to the 1979. So certainly the 1980s, from what I can find, seem to be far more popular, and the 79 is a lot more scarce to find. So if I can show you also here, this is so this is the round one. So let's have a look behind the ears here. Now I'm not convinced it's necessarily a double bar, and it certainly isn't as strong, and it's certainly very difficult to see even on this camera, but maybe you can just make it out there that there are some slight bars, and they're not very strong, just there behind the emu's head. And depending on how I hold it, I'll move it around a little bit, and hopefully you can see it. You can just see it there. You can see there's two lines, and so I went through probably about 20 of these just to sort of pull out one that had the strongest bars on it, and there are certainly quite a few that have some weak bars, but quite a few have nothing there behind. So it's a weak double bar. I'm not sure how strong they get on other examples, but that's that one there. So the 1979 and the 1980 double bars, I checked eBay just to sort of see what sales were going on with those guys. Anywhere from about $2 to $3, so maybe $4 if you can get it. Obviously, all depends on condition once again, but certainly worth more than 50 cents. They're not quick sellers, but certainly one to look out for. and keep an eye on as you go about noodling. So yeah, keep an eye out, and as you go through your 50-cent coins, hopefully you'll find a couple of these. Alright guys, that's it for today, so thanks for watching.